What up, you guys? Coach KS coming to you real fast with a quick shoulder health workout. So, you know, my focus is really helping people that work in offices who are desk bound get healthy, stay healthy, so that you can perform your best at work and at home. And one of the biggest problems with people who sit at a desk all day or work at computers all day is shoulder pain. So I want to show you 5 exercises you can use to improve your posture and reduce your shoulder pain. This here is just a piece of standard exercise tubing, elastic tubing right here. You can find this at just about any fitness store. That's what it looks like. Open up. So what we're going to do with this here, first exercise, we're going to get into an underhand position here. Open up. Show this from the side. Next exercise, side lateral raise. What you're going to do is stand on the tube, upright posture, and out to the side. Show this from the side angle here. Alright. Third exercise, external rotations. Again, in an underhand position. This time we're going to have the elbows at the side. Rotate around. This one here, you want to be certain not to hyperextend, so you're not hyperextending your back to get your hands around. Literally, your elbows are at the side. Make the rotator cuff work. Here. All right. Fourth exercise, external rotations. You're going to stand on the band, raise your hand up into a 90-degree angle here, 90-90s. So the elbow stays stationary, just rotating the hand up. This is external rotation. Then the last exercise is internal rotation. So the band goes behind the hand, 90 degrees, and now you're bringing it down. All right, so you can do that exercise, that 5 exercise circuit. Do it 2 or 3 times, 10 repetitions per exercise, once or twice a day. Keep your shoulders healthy, bring your posture up. Shoulders feel great. Guys, have a good one.